How to file for extension H&R Block online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and search for hrblock.com and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, start with an existing H&R Block online account to submit your extension. To get started, look for the File and Extension link under the Tax Filing Resources header on the Overview tab. H&R program will then ask you all the relevant questions so you can file your extension with the IRS. So this is how you can file for extension in HR Block Online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.